Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome everyone. Today, we are diving into one of the most critical drivers of customer loyalty in modern call centers, the Customer Effort Score, or CES. In simple terms, CES measures how easy it is for customers to get their issues resolved. And in today's fast-paced world, effort equals loyalty. This session will show you how artificial intelligence is transforming CES, from automating routine queries, guiding agents with real-time assistance, predicting customer intent, to enabling personalized and seamless journeys. We'll explore not just the operational advantages, like reduced handle time and fewer repeat calls, but also the customer experience impact, faster resolutions, lower frustration, and higher satisfaction. And most importantly, we'll connect it all to the financial outcomes, improved retention, lower service costs, and stronger revenue protection. By the end of this session, you'll clearly see how AI doesn't just make service smarter, it makes it effortless for both customers and agents. Let's begin with one of the most powerful applications of AI in a call center, call routing and intent detection. Using natural language processing, AI can now detect what a customer wants in real time, whether they come through an IVR, a chat window, or a live voice call. Instead of relying on rigid menu options, the system understands the customer's intent in their own words. Once the intent is clear, AI applies skill-based and predictive routing. That means the customer is instantly directed to the agent who is best equipped, based on expertise, past performance, or even language preference, to resolve the query on the very first attempt. AI also enables dynamic call prioritization. High-value customers or urgent situations can be flagged and placed at the front of the queue, minimizing frustration and reducing the time they spend waiting. The impact is significant: fewer unnecessary transfers, faster resolutions, and most importantly, a lower customer effort score. This translates directly into higher first call resolution rates and stronger customer satisfaction scores, setting the foundation for loyalty and long-term value. Next, let's look at how AI-powered self-service and automation reshape the customer journey. Through conversational IVR and intelligent chatbots, AI can instantly handle routine tasks such as password resets, billing inquiries, or appointment confirmations. These interactions feel natural and intuitive, allowing customers to solve problems in their own words without navigating complex menus. Another key advantage is 24/7 availability. Customers no longer have to wait for business hours or stay in long queues. They can access support anytime, anywhere, and receive immediate assistance for common needs. The impact is twofold. On one side, customers experience shorter wait times and reduced effort, which directly drives higher customer effort scores. On the other side, call centers benefit from lower call volumes, freeing up agents to focus on high-value or complex interactions where human expertise truly matters. In essence, AI-driven self-service creates a win-win scenario: effortless experiences for customers and optimized efficiency for the business. Another powerful way AI enhances customer effort score is through real-time agent assist and knowledge management. Imagine an agent handling a complex customer issue. Instead of manually searching through policy documents or knowledge articles, AI steps in with instant suggestions during the call. It recommends the next best action, troubleshooting scripts, and even highlights relevant FAQs, all in real time. This is supported by a centralized, AI-powered knowledge base. Agents no longer waste valuable minutes digging for answers. Instead, they receive precise, context-driven guidance tailored to the customer's situation. The results are clear. Customers get faster issue resolution, which directly lowers average handle time and improves their experience. At the same time, AI ensures consistency in service quality, so no matter which agent takes the call, the customer receives accurate, reliable, and professional support. Together, these capabilities reduce customer effort, improve efficiency, and build stronger trust in every interaction. Now let's move into the emotional side of customer interactions, sentiment analysis, and proactive intervention. With advanced AI, call centers can monitor a customer's tone, choice of words, and even silence patterns in real time. This enables the system to detect frustration, impatience, or rising dissatisfaction the moment it occurs. When such cues are identified, AI instantly triggers supervisor alerts. High-risk interactions can then be flagged for immediate escalation, allowing team leaders to step in, support the agent, or even join the conversation before the issue spirals out of control. The impact is powerful. Customers feel supported at the right time, leading to lower escalation rates and higher customer effort scores. At the same time, fewer dissatisfied customers or detractors means stronger net promoter scores and ultimately, better retention rates. In short, AI doesn't just solve problems faster, it helps prevent negative experiences before they happen. AI also plays a critical role in predictive analytics and effort forecasting, helping call centers move from reactive support to proactive management. First, AI enhances call volume forecasting. By learning from historical patterns, seasonal trends, and even external factors like holidays or product launches, it predicts peak demand periods with high accuracy. This allows workforce managers to staff appropriately, keeping wait times low and customer frustration under control. Second, AI goes beyond volume, it can predict the effort level of interactions. By analyzing factors like customer history, complexity of the query, and sentiment signals, AI flags calls that are likely to become high effort for both customers and agents. Supervisors can then step in early, providing support or resources before the situation escalates. The results are clear: improved operational efficiency, shorter queue times, and a measurable boost in customer effort score. Over time, these insights also fuel data-driven process improvements, helping organizations continuously refine workflows, policies, and training programs. In essence, predictive AI doesn't just manage today's calls, it builds tomorrow's effortless experiences. AI is also transforming how we train and optimize the call center workforce. Through AI-driven coaching, every interaction becomes a learning opportunity. By analyzing call transcripts, AI can pinpoint individual skill gaps, whether it's product knowledge, communication style, or compliance, and then recommend personalized training modules to close those gaps. This ensures that each agent grows at the right pace, with coaching tailored to their specific needs. At a broader level, AI-powered performance dashboards provide visibility into CES trends across agents, teams, and even communication channels. Leaders can instantly see where customer effort is rising and address the root causes with targeted interventions, be it additional training, better knowledge resources, or workflow adjustments. The impact is twofold. On one side, you have skilled agents who resolve issues faster, leading to higher first call resolution and lower customer effort. On the other side, you reduce agent burnout by equipping staff with the right tools and knowledge to succeed, resulting in consistent, high-quality service delivery. In short, AI makes workforce development smarter, scalable, and directly tied to customer experience outcomes. Finally, Let's connect the dots between AI-driven improvements in CES and the financial outcomes that matter most to the business. First, there are lower operational costs. By automating routine tasks and reducing repeat contacts, AI cuts down on call handling times, which translates into measurable cost savings per interaction. Second, we see a direct link between better CES and higher revenue. When customers find it effortless to do business with a brand, loyalty increases. Loyal customers not only stay longer, they also spend more, driving upsell and cross-sell opportunities that boost top-line growth. And third, AI helps ensure SLA compliance. Faster and more seamless interactions reduce wait times and minimize escalations, which means fewer penalties for missed service level commitments and stronger client trust in outsourced environments. The overall impact is clear. AI doesn't just enhance customer experience, it protects revenue, optimizes costs, and strengthens long-term business sustainability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.